Welcome back to my channel. Oh, it's the wedding anniversary. Wife is calling.
I'm sorry.
Oh my god!
Oh, so sad. He seems very busy.
Good job, good job. Thank you so much.
She was sad and went to the bar to drink something.
Thank you so much!
Hello!
It's you, Ladybug.
It's you!
A strange guy.
Rapunzel.
Why are you here? Oh my god.
He seems to sympathize with her.
Honey, honey. Holly, Holly, Holly. Where
He
are
came back and
you?
didn't see his wife.
Are you okay?
I'm okay.
Hey, you!
I will take you home.
Looks like she was drunk.
Where are you, honey? What happened?
He will go find his wife.
Hello! Hey, you!
They raise their voices to each other.
Ladybug, are you okay?
Oh no.
Oh my god, wake up, wake up!
It's worth worrying about.
Doctor, how is he? Oh my god, please save her.
What is he thinking?
Okay, okay. Honey, please save her. Okay.
She was
Doctor, is
sad
he
and
okay?
went to the bar to drink something.
She's fine. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Ladybug. Holly, Holly. Holly, wake up, wake up. What did you
Came
do?
back and didn't see his wife.
Hey, you!
What are you doing?
Really?
I'm so sorry. Holly, Holly. I'm sorry, honey.
Looks like she was drunk.
It's okay, honey. Thank you for helping me.
Okay.
I have a gift for you.
He seems very busy.
The Christmas tree's on fire. Santa's holding the lighter. My parents are both liars.
strange guy.
subscribers. Thanks for the candy basket. Oh, got another jacket.
Wife is hollow.